checking out MaxValu Supermarket at Muang Thong walking tour. I'll see what type of snacks or instant noodle that I can find and take back. There's so many exotic ice cream flavor. There's so many food in this supermarket I want to try. You won't be able to find some of these products in the US. Looking for the instant noodle section. Here we have tons of variety. I'll probably pick a couple of random stuff for my instant eat upload. I'll try to get a couple of stuff that's not available in the US. Wish I could take them all. Price of some of the noodles are 15 cents to 25 cents. You can buy a 6-pack noodle for just $1. Now it's time to go look for my snack. They also have different flavor of rice porridge. Candy and dessert snack. These Euro cakes are very good. They're just $1.50 for the whole box. In the US, the price is $4 to $5. Chocolate teddy bear crackers. This is the candy and chocolate section. We also have different flavor of Pringles. There's a spicy squid flavor. I had that one that's pretty good. And you also have the two basic Pringle flavor, original and sour cream and onions. This is the chip section. Peanuts, squid and fish jerky, different flavor of seaweed. And thanks for joining me on this walking tour of MaxValu Supermarket in Muang Thong. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button for more videos on travel, ride, instant eats, and games. And I'll see you in the next upload.